Hello students, I have completed exercise 6.3 question number 3. Today I am going to start question number 4. In figure, if lines PQ and RS intersect at point T such that angle PRT equals to 40 degree, angle RPT equals to 95 degree, and angle TSQ equals to 75 degree. Find angle SQT. Now solution, angle PRT angle plus angle PR angle RPT plus angle PTR plus angle PRT equals to 180 degree. In triangle PRT, sum of three angles equals to 180 degree. Angles sum property of a triangle. Now given angle RPT 95 degree, putting the value of angle RPT 95 degree plus angle PRT already given 40 degree plus angle PTR is to 180 degree. Now sum of two angles 95 degree plus 40 degree is to 135 degree plus angle PTR equals to 180 degree. Angle PTR equals to 180 degree minus 135 degree. Angle PTR equals to 45 degree. So angle PTR equals to 45 degree. Also angle QTS equals to angle PTR. Angle Q2X, angle QTS equals to also 45 degree. Both angles are equal. It is called vertically opposite angle because RS and PQ intersect at the point T. Therefore, angle QTS equals to 45 degree, angle QTS equals to angle PTR, same value. Now next, in triangle STQ sum of angles sum property of a triangle, sum of three angles, angle QTS plus angle TQS, angle QTS plus angle TSQ plus angle SQT equals to 180 degree. By putting the value of angle QTS 45 degree and plus angle TSQ 75 degree given plus angle SQT 180 degree. Sum of two angles 45 degree plus 75 degree equals to 120 degree plus angle SQT 180 degree. Angle SQT equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree equals to 60 degree. Therefore, angle SQT equals to 60 degree. Question number 5. In figure, if PQ perpendicular PS, PQ parallel to SR, angle SQT is 28 degree and angle QRT equals to 65 degree. Given. Then find the values of x and y. Solution. In figure given PQ perpendicular PS. PQ perpendicular to PS, that means angle P equals to 90 degree. Value of angle P equals to 90 degree. Also given PQ parallel to SR. QR, therefore QR is a transversal. PQ parallel to SR and QR is transversal. So angle PQR equals to angle QRT. Angle PQR equals to angle QRT. Alternate interior angles. Now angle PQR equals to sum of two angles. Angle PQS plus angle SQR equals to angle QRT. Now angle PQS equals to x given plus angle SQR equals to 20 degree also given equals to angle QRT equals to 65 degree also given. Now x equals to 65 degree minus 28 degree equals to 37 degree. Therefore value of x equals to 37 degree. Again in triangle PQS sum of three angles equals to 180 degree. Three angles are angle SPQ plus angle PQS plus angle QSP. Putting the value of angle SP equals to 90 degree. But why? Has given PQ perpendicular PS. So value of angle SP equals 90 degree plus angle PQS equals to x given plus angle QSP equals to y also given equals to 180 degree. 90 degree already I have find it value of angle x equals 37 degree. Putting the value of angle x 37 degree plus y equals to 180 degree. Adding 90 degree plus 37 degree equals to 127 degree plus y equals to 180 degree. Y equals to 180 degree minus 127 degree. Y equals to 53 degree. Question number 6. The side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S. QR produced to a point S. If the bisector of angle PQR and angle PRS, two angles are bisector, meet at a point T, then prove that angle QTR equals to half of angle QPR. Solution: given QT is bisector of angle PQS angle TQR equals to half of angle PQR. Implies sign angle TQR multiplied by 2. That means 2 into angle TQR equals to angle PQR. Here is QT bisector of angle PQS. Also RT is the bisector of angle PRS. Therefore angle TRS equals to half of angle PRS. Cross multiplication 2 into angle TRS equals to angle PRS. Now, in triangle PQR, angle PRS equals to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Triangle PQR equals to angle PRS equals to angle PQR plus angle QPR. That means exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Angle PRS equals to we know that 2 into angle TRS, putting the value of angle 2 into angle TRS equals to angle PQR. We know that 2 into angle TQR, putting the value of angle PQR equals to angle 2 into angle TQR plus angle QPR. 2 into angle TQR convert it left hand side. So sign will be changed, minus 2 into angle TQR equals to angle QPR. Common factor 2 into angle TRS minus 2 into angle TQR. That means 2 into angle TRS minus angle TQR equals to angle QPR. Equation number 1. Again, in triangle QTR. So, this one triangle, angle TRS is exterior angle, sum of opposite interior angle equal. Angle TRS, exterior angle TRS equals to angle TQR plus angle QTR. Now, angle TRS angle both sides multiplying by 2, we get angle both sides 2 into angle TRS equals 2 into angle TQR plus 2 into angle QTR. Again, convert 2 into angle TQR left hand side minus. So, angle 2 into angle TRS minus angle 2 into angle TQR equals to angle 2 into angle QTR. Now here is common factor 2. So 2 in bracket angle TRS minus angle PQR equals to angle Q into 2 into angle QTR. Equation number 2. Compare 1 and 2, we get 2 into 2 in bracket angle TRS minus angle TQR equals to angle QPR. And equation number 2, 2 into in bracket angle TRS minus angle PQR equals to angle 2 into angle QTR. So we can write comparing equation 1 and 2, we get angle QPR equals to 2 into angle QTR, or angle 2 into angle QTR equals to angle QPR. Implies sign angle QTR equals to half of angle QPR. Proved.